Yo guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In today's video we are gonna unbox the Seiko Presage SPB167J1 from the Sharp Edge series. This year, in 2020, Seiko announced a new Presage series, the Sharp Edge series. We have the blue dial version, probably the most popular of the new series. This watch has an amazing design with even better specifications. The watch has a retail price of €990. In the box you can find the Seiko guarantee book with a 6R35 caliber instruction book. Now we can open the box. The case has a diameter of 39.3mm and is 12mm thick. The bracelet has a length of 22cm and has a lug width of 18mm. The case and bracelet are both made out of steel and has a beautiful sapphire crystal glass to keep away any disturbing reflections. And if you take a close look at the case and the bracelet, you can see the many flat surfaces that have a motor sharpness, and that allows the watch to shine and sparkle from every angle. The case also has a super hard coating that protects the case and bracelet from scratches, but also endows it with a long-lasting brilliance. And now the dial, probably the first thing that stands out when you look at the watch. The dial incorporates a Japanese Asanoa or hemp leaf pattern, also known as wheat. Familiar in Japanese culture for its use in design since the Heian period over 1000 years ago. The Asanoa leaf was traditionally used as a material for fabrics, and the pattern holds a special importance in Japanese culture as it symbolized rapid, strong growth and was thought to bring good health, especially to the young. And then the movements. The watch has an amazing 6R35 movement, which means it is an automatic watch with a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. If you're interested in buying one of these watches, I've got some great news for you, because we have still one in stock. The link is in our description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I see you next time.